Hey guys, welcome back. We're about to get started on our last sandwich. This one is going to be a melt. It's going to be a grilled cheese that has a lot of extra ingredients on the inside. Frankie, let's grab that bacon and talk about it. So we're going to cook some bacon in the oven. I've got some nice thick cut bacon here. It's also been peppered. Again, we're doing a fancier sandwich. And what I've done is I've put it on a cooling rack, and we're going to place another cooling rack upside down on top of it. Frankie. And so what this does when you're baking your bacon, it's going to keep it flat. So it works perfectly inside a sandwich. It doesn't throw the structure of your sandwich off and make it fall apart. It also, because the fat can drip down, it's going to make our bacon nice and crispy. Because nobody wants to like bite into a sandwich, whether it's a BLT or anything else that has bacon, like a burger, and like it slides out, right? We all hate that. So this is going to make sure that it's nice and crisp. So we're going to pop that in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. You'll pop it in the top convection. All right, while Frankie's working on that, let's look at our bread. Picked up from the bakery today. This is an Asiago and Parmesan cheese sourdough. So just a much nicer bread. I had them slice it for me. It's going to be really nice. And to go with that theme of being really nice, we've got some European butter. So let's butter this up and get it down. So much bread. Yeah, go for it. And then the cheeses for this sandwich, we've got 3 different cheeses. We've got a Havarti, a provolone, and then this is a jack cheese that has caramelized onions inside of it. We're also going to be adding some tomato, some arugula, and then that bacon. So a couple of ways we can make this, and I need your guys' input, okay? Do we put all the ingredients and then make a grilled cheese? Or should we make the grilled cheese, get a knife, pull it apart, put the stuff inside, and put it back together?
Considering the last 2 didn't turn out as how we would expect, I think we should definitely go with the second option.
Okay, what do you think?
I think the second
okay, so we'll make a grilled cheese and we'll pull it apart and put everything inside. What is wrong with these 2?
The cheese inside didn't melt?
It did melt. We just didn't get a cheese pull. Look at that. That's melted. All right, let's go ahead and get that down. And then, Frankie, you want to slice a couple slices of this tomato. Let's do really thin, less than 1/4 of an inch. And then, so just cut off, here, I'll get you started. So we won't use that one. And then just cut off, yeah, like 2 right there, okay? Go for it. I'm going to go check on that bacon. How do we do? Nice and even all the way through? Almost. Pretty good. How's this going? Oh, that's going fast. It looks great too. Smells really good. This bread smells good. I would move it just a little bit, yeah. I think that side's like really warm, so if you look at the underside, yeah, it's looking good. It's looking great. All right, we have some bacon that we cooked earlier, and you can see it stayed nice and flat. It's really good and crisp. Some of it got a little too dark. I forgot about it. But we'll use these 3 slices right here and build our sandwich in just a sec. All right, go ahead and pull those off. I think they're good. Yeah, flip it over. I'll get it, you're fine. Oh yeah, that looks great. So if we can get the outside to look like that, that would be perfect. So we're gonna do 3 slices of cheese. I think just because this sandwich is, the bread is kind of a weird shape, I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit. Don't want too much leaking out. There we go. Is that enough cheese? You say no?
No.
Okay, which one should we add more of? The provolone, the Havarti, or the caramelized jack?
Caramelized jack.
All right. More onion. All right. So we're going to put this together. Don't forget we're going to butter this side and then get it back on the griddle. Hopefully this works, guys. Downside of your grilled cheese, you do get some greasy fingers. Nice. You did butter the other side?
I did butter the other.
Nice. Yeah, a little bit of this cheese falling out, that's okay. It'll kind of stick to the griddle a little bit, become like a little cheese crisp. If you pull it off at the right time, it's delicious. Seems to be doing a lot better. We turned the heat down back to medium. So, yeah, keep it going. Almost there. This one smells so good, the Parmesan cheese and that bread. It's awesome. Can y'all smell the onion and the cheese? It's pretty good. Yeah, see this side over here, the cheese didn't quite melt. Now that, we got some melted cheese, right? All right, slap it down on the board, Adrian. Okay, we're not gonna cut into it yet. We're going to open it up. Look at that. All right, let's get some bacon in there. 3 slices? Or just 2, yeah, okay. Our tomato, and then let's put some of this arugula. Arugula is a really nice green. It's got like a little bit of a peppery, spicy bite to it, and I think it's gonna work really well with these cheeses and with that peppered bacon as well. What do you guys think? You like that? Do we need to cut this one at an angle? We can just cut this one in half, right? It's already a weird shape. There we go. Oh, that looks great, right? What do you think?
That's good.
All right. Well, there you have it. We've got 3 different levels of grilled cheese. Your basic, a little upgraded, and something that you might see on a menu, more of a melt than it is a grilled cheese. Hope you guys had a good time. Thanks for gorging with Gooch.